Hello everyone, welcome back to the new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. So let's start with index Nifty. On daily scale, Nifty opened with the gap up but failed to sustain at top and gave up most of its gain. But in second half, we could witness a smart recovery and it went on to hit new day high. From the past three trading sessions, index is hovering inside the small range of 14,600, 14,900 levels. The index needs to surpass and close above the resistance of 14,890, 900 levels to resume its journey towards the north direction. Index above 14,900 levels, we can expect it to move towards 15,000 levels, and above that it will continue to move towards 15,150 levels in coming session. On the downside, 14,600 will be acting as an immediate support level. If it fails to hold that level, index may move back towards the 14,500 levels. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. Similar to the Nifty, Bank Nifty also traded in a range-bound manner for the entire week. On daily scale, a similar kind of pullback will be witnessed in index. 32,850 will be acting as an initial support level, and 34,250 will be acting as an initial resistance level. Index needs to breach either side to decide the further course of direction. Above 34,250 levels, we expect index to move towards 34,760 levels, and if it fails to hold 32,850 levels, then it may move towards 32,650, and below that it may continue to move towards 32,450 levels. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Mid Cap Index. So index has performed a range breakout of the past 2-3 weeks and thus hints resumption of a bullish momentum. On a broader chart, index is forming higher high, higher low formation. A range breakout has ensured resumption of a bullish momentum. RSI is gradually moving towards the north direction and it has breached the resistance of 50. So we expect index to move towards 7,000 levels, and above that it will continue to move towards 7,100 level. Moving on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which you are going to talk about is Relaxo. On daily scale, Relaxo has already registered a decisive breakout from a short-term falling resistance trend line with a good volume. Recently, the stock has been hovering a small range post-breakout that hints a pause before the resumption of a bullish momentum. In the last session, the stock has breached the range resistance with the RSI 60 crossover to together favor a buy-only setup in a current level. So one can buy stock only in between 895-900 levels for the target of 960 with the stop loss of 875 levels. Moving on towards the next stock, that is BEML. So the stock has been in a strong uptrend, and in the process it has attained a fresh 52-week high at 1,542 levels. Recent price action exhibits that the stock has witnessed correction near about 50% Fibonacci retracement, measure taking high and low at 1,542 and 888 levels. The stock has now reversing from the important support zone along with the decent volume, which offers a fresh entry opportunity at the current level. Positive crossover could be witnessed in RSI, concludes a possible buy-only setup in a stock. So one can buy this stock between 1,300-1,310 levels for the target of 1,500 with the stop loss of 1,265 levels. That's all for this week. Thank you and have a profitable week ahead.